How's it going today, everybody? Welcome back to Troy's Hobbies RC. Today on the channel, we're doing something kind of special. We're going to be converting our Axial Basecamp SCX10. We're going to be turning it into a Tuff Truck. We're going to be converting it from a trail truck and crawler to a Tuff Truck that will be legal to compete in Colorado RC Monster Truck Challenge. So in order to do that, we're going to be installing this Remo Hobby 3650 kV 3650 3300 kV motor and this 50 amp HobbyWing ESC. So let's go ahead, get into the garage and start tearing this truck down and installing these new electronics. We'll get it calibrated, get the ESC set up, and then we will take it out for a quick test drive. All right, everyone, we're out here in the workshop. Again, we're going to throw in this new motor and speed controller real quick. I've got my tools set out here, so let's go ahead and crack into this project. I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on time lapse, so hope you guys enjoy that. All right, everybody, it's the moment of truth. We got the motor and ESC installed. Let's power it up and see what we get. We are running this on a 2S battery. Oh, that's powered up. Okay, so this is direct power, I guess. All right, there we go, power. So this is on 2S LiPo. Just to get started. All right. Hey, we're moving. Perfect. We've got faster forward than reverse. Just the right amount of speed. So let's get this thing outside and take it for a quick test drive. I'm just going to take a minute here and change the wheels and tires. All right, everybody, we're out here with the Axial Basecamp. We have it converted over to a Tuff Truck now. So we are going to put it out here on my new gravel oval. This is just kind of the prototype for my oval track here. Eventually this thing's going to be coated in clay. So let's get the Axial Basecamp out here and see what kind of speed gains we have. Again, we are only on 2S. Perfect speed, really. Oh, we rolled it. All right, everybody, that's going to do it for today on Troy's Hobbies RC. That was a quick look at a new build that we did here on the channel. Today we converted the Axial Basecamp from a crawler and trail truck to a Tuff Truck. Before I let you guys go, Tuff Trucks are going to be the newest class coming to Colorado RC Monster Truck Challenge. we're going to have two separate classes. We're going to have stock, which is a brushed motor class, and then modified, which is this brushless motor class. You guys can find all the rules and information on choicehobbies.com. But in the next video, we're going to be doing an actual open or a Tuff Truck rules video for Colorado RC Monster Truck Challenge. So if you guys want to know exactly how to build a Tuff Truck and what that means, stay tuned for our next video. But for just a quick overview, the difference between a trail truck and a Tuff Truck is primarily wheel speed and power, right? A crawler typically has a lower wheel speed and way more torque. Tuff Truck has more wheel speed, typically has the drag brake disabled, and drives like your standard bashing RC almost, minus the lockers and everything else that makes it a crawler. So that's basically the classes. So that was a first look at our Nissan Axial Basecamp with the brushless system in it. I hope you guys enjoyed the new track layout. Again, that's still in very early stages, so expect that track to change a little bit over time. So if you guys liked the video today, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new. Again, make sure you check our website, choicehobbiesrc.com, for all the information, class rules, and things like that for Colorado Monster Truck Challenge. And we'll see you guys next time. Later.